Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create FAQ chatbots in Wix. Let's get started. First, sign into your Wix account and open the website where you want to create your FAQ chatbot. Once you're inside the Wix editor, look at the left-hand panel and click Add Apps to open the Wix app market. Next, use the search bar to search for FAQ chatbot. When the app appears in the search results, click on it to open its information page. Here, you can review the available features before installing it on your website. Now, click Add to Site and wait a few moments while Wix installs the FAQ chatbot. Once the installation is complete, the chatbot will automatically be connected to your website. After that, return to your website dashboard and open the FAQ chatbot settings. This is where you can customize how your chatbot interacts with visitors. Start by editing the welcome message so it matches your brand and creates a friendly first impression. Next, add the frequently asked questions you want the chatbot to answer automatically. You can include questions about your products, services, pricing, business hours, shipping, booking information, or any other topics your visitors commonly ask about. Once you've finished configuring everything, enable the chatbot using the activation toggle and save your changes. Finally, preview your website and test the chatbot by asking a few common questions to make sure it's responding correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an FAQ chatbot in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.